In this lesson, we will talk about the debug mode of Flask application. Right now, we have a single route that is serving a simple string called hello Flask. So whenever someone visits the home page, we are getting this in return. Now let's get back to our editor and see how the debug mode can help us in many ways. Before talking about the debug process, let's do one thing. Let's change this from hello Flask to hello Python. Now let's save this while our server is running. So here let's give it a refresh, and here you can see the content is the old one, hello Flask. We should get hello Python. So this one is happening because Flask does not know when to restart the server and get the latest data. And this is because of the default value for debug is set to false. We need to set it true so that whenever we change something in our code, it will automatically restart the server to serve us the latest content. So let's get back to the editor and figure out how to set the debug mode. Inside the run method, we can pass 4 arguments. The first one is host. The second one is port. The third one is debug. For debug, we are setting it to true. And for the other two, we need to set some values. You can set the default values, or you can try some other values depending on the port which is available at the moment in your OS. However, if in case you just want to set the debug only, you can get rid of all this and set the debug to true. And the last parameter that we can pass inside the run method is options. And inside that options, we can pass various kind of information to set our Flask application. Right now, let's focus on this one, that is debug. And here we have set debug to true. Now we need to restart the server. And here you can see it's showing debug mode on. Here I have changed the hello Python to hello Flask again. Now let's get back to the browser. And here you can see we are getting hello Flask. So now we are going to change this to hello Python, and without restarting the server manually, we will just come back to the browser and see what happens. Now save this, and here when we refresh our page, we are getting the latest content, hello Python. So this is how the debug mode works in Flask.